In today's video, I'll show you how to make an easy Lunar New Year craft in 3 easy steps. You'll need 4 sheets of construction papers, glue stick, pair of scissors, pencil, red hanging thread, tassel, print out a hook or good luck sign. Here I reuse a desk calendar. First, cut out the uneven edges on your red paper and make impressions with folds like so. This will help in our next step. Second, make accordion folds. Accordion folds are a series of alternating parallel folds. It is very simple and easy to do. Now go ahead and do the accordion folds on the other 3 sheets of your red construction papers. Third, fold into half of your accordion folds like so. Press it down. Continue with the other 3 accordion folds. Fourth, let's make a pattern on your hanging art by outlining as shown here. Try to make it look like flower petals. Trace the same pattern on the other accordion folds you just made. Here I'm eyeballing and making them as duplicate as possible. Next, go ahead and cut out the outer corner of the outline to create a curved pattern to make it look more like flower petals. Go ahead and work on the other accordion folds. This is how it looks like. With the accordion folds folded in half, glue the edges together like so. Use as much glue as needed to hold them in place. Align them and press it down. Keep joining them together with your glue stick, except for the last piece. For the last piece here, we glue it together with a tassel, like so. Lastly, cut out your good luck character. Here I reuse a desk calendar. Glue it onto your flower piece you just made. To secure it further, apply liquid glue. Press it down. Finally, use your red embroidery floss to make your art piece hangable. Tie a knot like so. Place it in the middle aligned with your tassel and secure it with tapes. Voila! Here is your quick and easy DIY Chinese New Year decoration in 3 easy steps. I hope you found value in this video. If you did, please kindly give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more quick and easy DIYs. Thank you so much for watching my video. Until then, I'll see you in the next one. Bye!